Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing. Alright, so today we have something very special. We have another knife from RoseCraft that they sent to us to review. Thank you, RoseCraft. I appreciate you sending this over. And this is one of their traditional knives. You can see it's got the parchment colored box, which is what they put the traditional knives in. And let's open her up and see what we got. As always, knife comes wrapped in butcher paper. And let's unroll this, see what's here. Let's move this out of the way. Wow, look at that. That is pretty. So this is the RoseCraft blades Tanasi Lake Teardrop. So it's the Tanasi Lake Teardrop. And it's a drop point blade with some heavy swedging on top. I like the long nail nick. That makes it easy to pull out. It's got that beautiful half stop. Listen to that sound. That is just gorgeous. Let me wipe off the blade, my fingerprints. You've got this beautiful mirrored finish on there that is just really sensational. And look at that handle. That is gorgeous. You've got these, this is a Bora Bora blue bone with brushed steel bolsters. Beautiful. The pins are set in very well. Fit and finish on this is excellent. Look at that. Really, really nice. And you've got that, again, beautiful half stop. So that way you could close it without having to worry about closing on your fingers. Here you've got the RoseCraft name engraved right there. On the other side, you have Andy Armstrong. He's the designer, and that is his maker's mark. And it is a D2 steel blade. I love the blade shape. It's a drop point, but it's got that heavy, heavy swedging that RoseCraft is known for. Feels really nice in the hand. I mean, it's a decent sized knife. This comes in at 2.8 inches on the blade. So we'll put that up against a Lander 2, which is their full-size blade. So you can kind of see where it's at. So it's not a giant knife, but it's not a small knife either, which I really like. Sometimes you get some of the traditional knives and they're a little on the smaller side. But this one, because of the blade shape, because of the size, could be really useful. Use this for a lot of different things. You could use it for EDC. This would be great for whittling wood as well because of the grind on it. I absolutely love that. And again, you've got that great sound. The walk and talk on this is absolutely unbelievable. So for anybody who doesn't know what we mean by the walk and talk, what we're talking about is the action and the sound it makes when it clicks into place. When you hit that first stop, you get that nice click. That second one, what you'll find is on better built knives, you'll get a beautiful walk and talk, where in some of your less expensive, cheap knives, you don't get that sound. So listen to that. That's just amazing. Again, this is the RoseCraft blades Tanasi Lake Teardrop. And just look at the color on that. And last but not least, let's see. That is perfectly centered. Just a beautiful centering on that. Like I said, the fit and finish on this is unbelievable. And this comes in at a $60 price point, so it's very affordable. And I just absolutely love this. All right, folks. If you liked the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blades sharp.